In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the black screen issue with a cursor on Windows 10 or 11. If you've ever experienced this problem, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and resolve it quickly. We'll walk through some steps that are simple yet effective, allowing you to get back to using your computer without hassle. First, let's try a quick fix that often resolves display issues. Press the Windows key along with Ctrl, Shift, and B simultaneously. This key combination is a quick command to reset your display driver. When you do this, listen carefully for a short beep and you should notice your screen flicker. This action tells you that the display driver has been reset. Resetting your graphics driver can often refresh your display settings and solve the issue. So cross your fingers, as this might be all you need. If your screen is still giving you trouble, let's try another approach. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete together. This action should bring up a menu, and you'll want to select Task Manager from it. If the Task Manager appears, it's a sign that your system is responsive. This is good news, as it indicates that your issue might be display-related rather than a complete system freeze. If Task Manager shows up, you can move on to the next step with more relief. Now, let's test the display configuration. Press the Windows key and the letter P together. This opens up display settings. Press P again and then hit Enter. By cycling through different display modes, we're ensuring that your computer is set to the correct display output. Sometimes, your computer might mistakenly be set to project to an external display or second monitor. Innovating this step can quickly nail the target and resolve the black screen issue. If these quick fixes haven't worked, try turning off your computer completely. Hold down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. This action will force your computer to shut down and restart everything. In performing a full restart, the system clears out any issues from temporary files or stalled processes that might be causing the problem. If the issue persists after trying all these steps, your next move may be to access Safe Mode or enter the Windows recovery environment. Safe Mode will start your computer with only the essential software and drivers, helping you diagnose deeper issues. As a last resort, consider restoring your system to a previous working state, assuming you have a restore point set up. And finally, if absolutely nothing is working, you might need to reset your PC to factory settings, which can keep your personal files intact. With all these steps, you will hopefully resolve your black screen issue. Good luck, and thank you for watching.